Hey y'all, welcome to Didi's Art Workshop. Let's get artsy. Today we're going to be making a Mickey Mouse pizza pan wreath. Most of my materials were purchased at Dollar Tree. I purchased everything at Dollar Tree except my paints, but I do know Dollar Tree carries good brands of paint. Let's start with cleaning our surface. I will now be measuring where I want the black and the red to divide, and this will represent Mickey's body and his shorts. I'm going to be using multi-surface folk art paint in apple red, but you can use any other brand. And like I mentioned before, Dollar Tree does carry very good name brand paints. You just got to be lucky enough to get them before they're sold out. I will now be blow drying my paint just to speed up the process and so I'm not sitting around waiting for it to dry. I will do a second coat in apple red. I will blow dry the red, that way it can dry quickly. I will now be painting Mickey Mouse's body in black. Make sure that your paint is also multi-surface because that's going to stick better to the pan. I will also be doing a second coat in black just so it is nice and vibrant and the color really shows up well. Now we will be adding Mickey Mouse's buttons. I didn't show you guys in the video, but I did measure with a ruler. That way I got them centered right in the middle, and I did it just like so. Sorry, my camera did not show that part. And now we paint the buttons in yellow. I outlined my buttons with a thinner brush in black. I painted the two small dots inside of the buttons with the back of my paintbrush. For the varnish protection, I used Clear gloss varnish, which you may also purchase in spray paint. But if you're using the one I am, make sure that your strokes are nice and straight, that way when it dries, it looks very neat. You may purchase this at Michael's. As you can see, my finish is a little bit more glossy, but if you go with the matte look, it'll look just as lovely. As you can see, I am tracing a whipped cream lid, but it's black because I was originally gonna go with the whipped cream lid, but I did not like the way the paint was looking on the lid, so I decided to go with carton, and I really liked it. It does not look bad. And to give it that finished look, make sure you seal it with varnish so it matches the pizza pan Mickey Mouse body. I have already glued with the glue gun Mickey Mouse's ears to the back of the pizza pan. I will now glue the twine to the back of the pizza pan as well. And now Mickey Mouse is ready to hang somewhere around the home. And we're done. I loved the results of this Mickey Mouse pizza pan wreath, and what I loved most is that you can purchase all of these items from the Dollar Tree. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. You may also find me on Instagram and Facebook at Didi's Art Workshop. See you next time, crafters.